Hey y'all, come look at this.
The matters of gates, the matters of odd kilo, are again replaying in very extreme conditions. I would like to ask them, what are they doing to ensure that farmers are not seen giving away their produce free of cost to citizens? These are important concerns. I have no idea what were the actual active factors that led to that, but I regret that is very unfortunate. There are so many factors that are at play, and there are parallel authorities that are responsible to attend to welfare of farmers. I feel for the farmers who have had to just give away their products and produces, because I am not in position to have access to reasons thereof. But as a common citizen and as a member of the Legislative Assembly, I know that the government is trying its best to institute layers of protection in the interest of farmers. The one item that is very difficult and is not guided by principles that can really cover expenses of farmers is the perishable items. And it would be wise for me not to comment further, but I want to tell every farmer that I feel for your loss. I want to tell every farmer that please access all the schemes that have been made available to you by the MDA government. There has been no government in the past that has come forward with these kinds of buffers and schemes for farmers to ensure that their livelihoods are protected. And I am sure that the Agriculture Minister, in collaboration with the Honorable Chief Ministers, are attending to this. Unfortunately, perishable items need a different kind of policy thinking and thought process. And I'm sure that the Honorable Chief Minister will attend to this. But schemes provided by the MDA too are well within the purview of coverage for farmers. Other factors are beyond my capacity to comment, but I think I would like to remind the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council that